Welcome in world of technology. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date, price, news, and leaks. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date and price. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 release date rumors haven't started yet, but we did see last year's phone on August 23 and shipped to stores in September. That short-lived Samsung Galaxy Note 7 followed a similar schedule 2 years ago. There's a good chance that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be announced in late August 2018, before hitting stores possibly in mid to late September. Whenever it does arrive, it's sure to be expensive. The Galaxy Note 8 retailed for $929, £869, around $1,499 Australian dollars at launch, and we can't see Samsung lowering the price for the Note 9. Especially now Apple has pushed smartphone prices even higher with its iPhone X. In fact, the S9 and S9 Plus saw a price increase in most countries, so it only makes sense for Samsung to push its top-tier phone higher, unfortunately. Note 9 in-screen fingerprint sensor. The biggest Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rumor relates to its fingerprint scanner, which could be built directly into the screen. It's the long-awaited feature we're still waiting to see in a mainstream smartphone, and not in demo form or just in China. The latest rumors points to the in-screen fingerprint sensor skipping the Note 9, just like it did on the S9 and S9 Plus, Note 8 and S8 and S8 Plus before. There's reason to believe it'll show up on the Galaxy X, Galaxy 10 next year, however. More Note 9 theories. There's a chance that Samsung will go even further with the Note 9, as it's patented a smartphone concept that has not just the fingerprint scanner but also the front-facing camera and sensors embedded in the display, for a truly bezel-free design. This might be too ambitious for a 2018 launch though. It's almost certainly going to have a large curved Super AMOLED display, an S Pen stylus and at least 6 GB of RAM. The internal storage should start at 128 GB given that Samsung bills this as an enterprise-class smartphone. The S8 Plus has 128 GB of space in most countries, but just 64 GB in the US. Note 9 is also likely to sport the top-end Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 9810 chipset as at the time of its launch, exactly like we see in the S9 and S9 Plus. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time on the other R videos.